Oh, convergent.
Subduction.
Looked like it hurt. I thought that was gonna hurt, but it didn't. Touchdown.
Collision.
Collision. Ugh. Yeah.
Transverse.
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 Transform. Yep.
Seismic waves.
That's how we do, baby.
Yep. What do people think of that? Good to be back.
Yep.
It's a very nice show. Very nice show. You know, I think we, just for the viewers, should clear up what subduction was.
What you showing?
Alright. Yeah. Right about there.
That's right, boy.
Yeah.
There's nothing in this.
Yeah, we're lying. What if the class is going to watch this?
I never attended the University of Vermont.
I'm a freshman.
He's not a dad.
Yeah.
One day.
No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, right.
Oh, this is getting weird. Okay, we're going to be featuring subduction.
Boom. Subduction.
Let's watch this. Hey Drew, toss the ball over here. Ah, that was a...
Nothing but end zone.
Stop it.
I don't know how.